what you can write here in your terminal. If you don't know how to open the terminal, so please go here inside the terminal. You can see new terminal, right? So and here what you need to write, you need to write Hadoop version. Let me check this command is working or not. Hadoop version. So Hadoop version, Hadoop 3.2.1 has been configured here, the latest one. Okay, so Hadoop 3.2.1 has been configured here inside this neural lab. Right, now what you need to do, guys, so let me delete this folder. So let me delete it. So let's suppose I'm going to delete it. Okay, now how I can create a folder here in my system. This is my local system. You can consider this directory structure as my local system. Okay, if I'm writing here ls, you will be able to find out everything. Right, now if I want to create a folder, so just click here, this one, new folder. Okay, I want to create a new folder, so this one, and you just need to write fs November. Any name you can give to your folder, right? And let's suppose this is my folder name, and if I want to create a file inside this one, so let's suppose the file name is data. Okay, and this data I want to dump inside my Hadoop. Okay, now here this is the file, and here what I can do, I can keep some data. So let's suppose some random data I'm going to keep here. Okay, any data you can keep, it's up to you. Okay, or any file you can like drag and drop here inside your system, right? So this is the data. Now what we have to do, this is my local system. Okay, now here you FSDS November. If I want to go inside this directory, inside this FSDS November, so how I can go over here? Okay, tell me guys, how I can go inside this directory? So I just need to type cd and FSDS November. Right, now see, we are able to in this directory, we are able to like migrate from this directory to this directory, right? And now guys, what we have to do, we have to check with the like ls, how many files is there. So you can see only one file is there, data.txt. Okay, now if I want to check the content of this particular file, so how I can do it? So data.txt. Okay, so you can see we are able to check the content of this particular file. Okay, now if I want to do changes something in my file, so here you can see there is a workspace, we can do it, but we can do the same thing with the vi editor also. So what I need to do, I need to write vi and data and .txt. Okay, vi editor, nano editor, anything you can like use. So vi editor is not here, I think, so I just need to do vim data.txt. Okay, so vim and this vi editor is not there. Let me check with nano editor. So nano data.txt. Yes, nano editor is there. Okay, so nano editor is there. So what I need to do, I just need to write, I just need to press insert. Okay, and any changes I can perform in my data, right? So here like you can see, we are able to perform the changes. Okay, you just need to press the insert first, just press the insert, and then you can do it. Okay, so let me write it. So I am able to write the data here, whatever data is like I want to write. And after this one, you just need to press escape here and colon or wq. Okay, okay, so here you can see, yes, for insert you just need to press I or escape, right? So here you can see anything, we can write it down. So let's suppose any data, this one. Okay, so this is possible over here via nano editor also, right? And for like exit, what you can do, you can press ctrl+x. Okay, so it is asking to you, you want to save the modified, you would say yes. Okay, and finally you can exit from here. So file name to write data x, yes, this is fine. And and here what I can do, I can press the y. Okay, now ctrl+c and ctrl+x for the exit. Okay, ctrl+c, why I'm not getting out, guys? Yeah, ctrl+x, and it is asking to me here. Yes, y is fine now. Okay, I saved it. Let me check once with this one. Okay, don't worry. So cd and fsds, cd and fsds November, and here what I can do, get, and finally data.txt. Okay, so sk, yes, I think data has been added over here. No, data is not here because maybe I haven't saved, right? So what I need to do, wait, this is data.txt modified. I did it. Mhm. This is an issue. Yes, this is not working now. Control S. Yes, I did it like control S and Y only. Okay, just let me do one thing. Let me delete it. Okay, not an issue, right? I think you got the concept. Okay, so what we are doing? Yes, I did it actually, but it was not working. That like control X and Y. Okay, again it was coming to the home page, right? And guys, here what you can do. So this is the data. Now this is your local system. Okay. Now the next thing is what you have to do. You have to like save this data in your HDFS. So for HDFS, okay, dfs hyphen ls. Here you can see it's the same one, ls. Okay, ls we use for checking the like all the directory. Okay, all the directory and file inside our like local directory. So same thing, same command we have to type it, and after a space, don't forget to give this slash. And the slash meaning is home directory. Okay, so here you can see this is my like a directory. Okay, so we are in hdfs actually. Let me do one thing. Let me write this command from the home. Okay, so this workspace actually is, it's a home. So here what I can do, hdfs dfs hyphen ls. Okay, so now okay, so there is no directory. So what I need to do, if I want to write the data, so first I will have to create a directory. Okay, so the for creating a directory, the command will be hdfs dfs hyphen mkdir. Okay, and what I will have to do, I will have to give the directory name. So my directory name is, let's suppose I'm giving any name. So let's suppose I'm giving over here okay, test, right? This is my directory name. So if I pressing enter, so you can see like I'm able to create a directory. If I want to check this directory, so how I can check? hdfs dfs. Okay, and here I can put ls hyphen ls and this one. Now see, so this is my directory, test directory. Now I want to write the data. Write data means this one. Okay, I think it is coming here. Okay, not an issue. So here you can see I want to put the data, this data.txt. Okay, this data.txt where? This data.txt inside this test directory, right? So for this one, we are having like a command. So we are having put command as well as copy from local. Two commands we are having for putting the data from local to HDFS. Okay, as of now, data in my local directory. Here you can see inside this inside this one PDF also I mentioned this command. So first make directory and then you have to put the data. Okay, how you can put the data? So let me write that command. So let's suppose this is my data.txt. So just need to write over here HDFS dfs. Okay, and here what you can do, you can write hyphen put and you can write the path of this file data.txt. So copy the path and paste it here. Okay, now wait, allow, and here you can see we are able to paste the path. This is my path. Okay, this is my path, local path. And now guys, what you need to do after this one, you just need to give the path of the hdfs. Okay, so hdfs path, just wait. Okay, so this is my local path, and from here to where? Slash test. Okay, so the command is hdfs dfs hyphen put, and here you can see this is my path of the data, and this is the path of the folder. Okay, if I'm hitting enter over here, so you can see we are able to put the data, right? We are able to put the data inside this test, right? And if I want to check, how I can check? So ls, and we want to check inside this test. Okay, so you will be able to find it out. So inside test we are having one file. That file is data.txt. So guys, did you get it, how we can check how we can like write the data in our hdfs? Yes or no? Yes, we can create a file also with touch. Okay, so here, okay, as of now I can delete it, not an issue, this one. So data.txt, this one. So guys, are you getting my point? How we can write the data in our hdfs? Tell me if you are getting my point. So here, this is my data.txt, and we are able to write it down. If you completed this one, then please tell me. Okay, let me check how to leave from the memory. Because version wise is it varies actually. How to say exit? But no, okay, this is fine. And control X, you can use control X, and you can like give the syntax over there. But this is not required. We are using this user interface, so nano is not required. If we are working via terminal, so we can use it. Okay, so here guys, you can see we are able to read the data, or sorry, write the data. Now how we can read it? So for reading, we are having one command that is called cat command. Okay, so hdfs dfs hyphen cat, and you just need to give the data file. So test data dot txt. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, so we just need to write cat instead of ls. So here you can see we are going to write cat. Okay, now we'll be able to see the data. So this is my data. So if we want to read the data, or if you want to write the data, so both command is there. Okay, so for reading the data, cat command is there. For writing the data, tell me put command is there, and even copy from local. Okay, so both we can use the put as well as copy from local, and for reading the data, cat one, right? So now guys, tell me, so this thing is clear. Tell me how to read and write the data. Yes, these are the Hadoop directory. These are the Hadoop directory, and here you can see README file. This thing has been mentioned. If you want to check, so this is your app name. Okay, you just need to give your app name and this one dot I0 app on this port. Okay, so let me copy it. This one. So what I can do, I can open one notepad, and all the command I can go keep over there. So whatever command I am running here. Okay, so this is the notepad, and here, let's suppose if I want to check. So here, what you need to do, you just need to copy it, this one, and open your notepad. So notepad is here, and just paste it, right? So your app name is what, guys? So my app name, let me check. Okay, so FSDS November is my app name. Let me check. It is visible with this name, FSDS November. Okay, and here I need on app, and if I'm going to copy, and if I'm opening the same thing in my local host, okay, so I'm able to see the data or not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the browser, and could not find the URL. Could not find the request URL 404. It is giving me 404. Let me do one thing. Remove this S, and let me check. No, this is not available. The second one is your app name is this one. Your app name. No, test folder won't be. I don't think. Because this is learning. This is like a application, no? So, which has been configured in like the Hadoop has been configured inside the lab. Okay, so here let me check with this one, Hadoop cluster. So maybe this should be visible, and what I can do, I can copy it. No, this is not available. So this is working, Mahendra, in your system. I kept name FSDS November. Let me check once. Neurolab and what? Sorry, what I. My name is FSDS November. See, it should work here. Okay, why it is not working? FSDS November. Could not find the request. Okay, no issue. We'll check about it. Okay, don't worry. First of all, let me like perform some more command and name node here 9870. Okay, so 9860. What I can do, I will like try to create one more lab. Okay, there I will check. Maybe like there is some issue, that's why it is not working. Maybe like I'm using a previous lab. Okay, so I'm not an issue. So guys, now here you can see tree.csv is the file. Okay, so someone is saying I'm not able to copy from local to Hadoop. So what you can do, you can copy again. So I'm writing a command. You can like write along with me. Over here you can do you can write clear, so it will be clear the entire console. Now the command is like we have to give this t.csv in my I have to like put this t.csv in my hdfs. Okay, so for this one you just need to write hdfs dfs hyphen copy from local. Okay, so local, so this will be the command, and after this one what you need to write, you just need to write the path of this tree.csv. Okay, so path of this tree.csv will be, so you can copy path from here and you can paste it. Just wait, let me copy it. So just click on this one, copy path, and just paste it, and then you just need to pass the Hadoop path. So where I am going to put the data, let's suppose in home directory. Okay, and if I'm going to run it, so you will be able to find out we are able to send the data. If you want to check with Hadoop, so how you can check, hdfs, okay, dfs hyphen ls, and this is your root directory. Okay, so your file is available in your root directory. So file name is tree.csv. If you want to check the content of this file, so for this one, what you can do, you can write hdfs dfs hyphen guide, and you just need to write your file name tree.csv. Okay, so entire the file you can see over here, whatever like data you can see right here itself means inside your local, the file is available inside your hdfs, right? So I hope this thing is you are able to do it. So copy from local clipboard is terminal. Copy from local. This is the spelling. Okay, I think you are doing a spelling mistake. That's why you're not able to do it. So what I can do, I can keep all the commands in the notepad and I can give it to you. Okay. So the first command for write the data. So the first step is create a folder. Create a folder in hdfs. And for this one, the command will be hdfs dfs. Okay, hyphen. And the command is mkdir, and you just need to write your path. Okay. So this is the home directory. This is very, very important. If you are not mentioning this slash, maybe like it will give you some sort of a issue. Okay, path of directory, right? So here, okay, so here I can write name of the directory, name, and then you can give any path over here. Okay, so path of directory, any path, anything, any name, so not an issue. Now guys, what I can do, so here I can do like one thing. So if you want to read the data, okay, if you want to read the data, so first of all you have to put the data from local to like hdfs. Okay, so copy data from local to hdfs. So what will be the command? Tell me. hdfs dfs hyphen put, okay, and local directory, local dir path, local dir path, and from here to here, from here to hdfs. So hdfs path. Okay. So whatever path is there inside your system, you can get that path. Now, if I want to like copy the data again, one more command is there. hdfs dfs hyphen copy from local. Okay, and the same thing you just need to write. So local dir and path, and here what you can do, you can write it down dfs hdfs path. Okay, so this is the reading and writing the data. Okay, if you want to if you want to see the data, if you want to see the data, then you need to write a command hdfs dfs hyphen cat. Okay, and you need to give your file path. Okay, here I can write it down, file path. I hope this three command is clear. Now, if I want to count the file, okay, if I want to count the file, count the file in hdfs. So how I can do that? So for that, like a very, very simple command, I just need to write it down here. Let me do so hdfs dfs, okay, hyphen count, and I just need to give over here slash, right? Now see, it will be giving me a complete count. So the two file is there, okay, two directory is there, it is giving me two. Let me check with the fs, that one I think we have did it inside this one. Now see, in that test only one file is there, okay, and only one file is there. Now what I am going to do, I am going to create one more file here. Okay, so my file name is what? So let's suppose I can use like a nano editor. Okay, one more time we can have one more attempt for the nano editor. Okay, nano editor actually we use in Linux system. Here if you will see, this is my Linux machine. Okay, Red Hat, we are using Red Hat. So open your terminal, and here also like we can do it. So let's suppose if I want to create a file, so vi and fsds demo.txt. Okay, let's suppose this is the file. So here you can see like I'm able to create a file. Now insert. If you will press insert, so anything you can write inside this file. Okay, anything you can write inside this file. This one. Okay, now what you need to do, you just need to press escape, colon, and W, and you will be out from this one, this editor, VI editor. Now if we can check, so yes, fsds number is there, this one, fsds demo.txt. Now this file in my cloud era, okay, now this file in my cloud era, how I can get it in my local system? For this one, we can use FileZilla, okay. So FileZilla I'm not going to use as of now, I'm just showing how VI editor works. In similar way, nano editor works, okay. But it was giving some sort of a issue over here, that's why let me do one more attempt over here. So let's suppose clear, and let me press over here nano. Okay, nano. And here, after writing this one, name node mango cluster. Yes, Mahindra. Please below to you access your neural net. Yes, this is for you actually. If I'm going to copy and press giving this URL, no, I think it won't work because this is your app name. Maybe. Okay, it is working. Okay, fine. I think you have this is your name, right? Mango Doctor WRNFT. This is your neural lab, right? Which you have created inside your system, right, Mahindra? Okay, so which one? This is like for Mango Doctor, and this one like you have created another one or what? Tell me. Okay, okay, maybe I think I didn't check with this one. Right. Copy to local, copy from local, not copy to local. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, Mahendra. Okay, fine. So got it. Okay, I will come to this one. First, let me do one thing. Let me create a file with a nano like editor. Okay. So here I can write any file name and not here inside the fsds November. So cd fsds hyphen November. Okay. And here I can create a file. So the file name is, let's suppose, data and demo.txt. Okay, demo.txt. And here like we came here, and if I want to insert the data from local to, okay, it is asking to me a file name. So data dot data demo dot txt or cs. Okay, and data dot save, it is creating now with csv also. Okay, it is asking to me to give the file with. So what I can do, I can give the data with nano data, and just do one thing, guys. So here, what you can do, you can create one more file, demo, and so and this file let me open now. Nano, and here I can insert now. File to insert test.txt. Okay. Now let's suppose if I'm writing a data, okay, this is fine. Now control O. Okay. Now control X. I'm pressing, but it is not working here. I don't know why. Okay, it came here. It is. We are able to save it. Now, if I want to come out, okay, now it is fine, right? So, guys, for accessing the nano editor, okay, let me write this cell accessing the nano editor, right? Because nano editor is working inside your like this one. This actually this is just for the demo, right? So here this is the VS code, so no need to use the nano editor because directly you can write the data. Okay, any file you can open and any like data you can write.